I got divorced and lost the business all at the same time. In so many cases, when you say what I just said, regular people don't understand, but entrepreneurs get it. Resilient, I think it's the most important thing. We deal with nothing but problems all day, every day. I'm Steve Gordon. I'm the founder of Million Dollar Author. We help entrepreneurs unlock their ideas and turn them into a best-selling book in 90 days. In 2010, my first business, which was a technical business, we worked with land developers all over Florida. Everybody knows what happened in 2010. It wasn't pretty for that industry. In that year, I got divorced and lost the business all at the same time. Super challenging, as you might imagine, but I had a community around me of entrepreneurs. I think in so many cases, when you say what I just said, regular people don't understand, but entrepreneurs get it. Like, we're in the game, we're taking the risk, and there's nothing better than having a community of like-minded people around you that understand that sometimes this is part of it. I'm excited to say there's a happy ending. I got remarried within a year to my beautiful wife and rebuilt a business. One of the reasons I was able to do that so quickly is that I had that support. Now I've built Million Dollar Author for 16 years. From that, I just created a tremendous team, been able to serve now almost 400 clients during that time, and it's just been phenomenal. But when I look back at that low point, at the time it came with a lot of shame and certainly was difficult. But looking back, it's given me such tremendous confidence, because I know that if I survive that, I can survive anything. For new entrepreneurs, just understand it's going to be harder than you expect. My first business I took over, and it was already existing, and I took it over, bought it from the founder. My second business I started from scratch, and thought I knew what I was doing. But starting from scratch is the hardest way you could possibly create a business. Super rewarding, but just know it's going to be harder than you expect. We deal with nothing but problems all day, every day, in one form or another. That's why you get paid to do what you do, is to solve problems for people. And so if you're not resilient, you're going to get worn down really quickly doing this. A good friend of mine, a strategic coach client as well, in that darkest time, we were having a beer, and he looked at me and he kind of smiled and he said, what are you worried about? They can't eat you. And I repeat that to myself every time things get difficult. Like, what's the worst that could happen? They can't eat me. And so keep going, just keep going. There's always a way forward.